congratulate the candidates for Mr. and Miss Binyan. Dapat po ito ay pasok sa kategorya na indigenous and recycled materials na kung saan kanila pong maipapakita ang produkto ng kanilang barangay na kinakatawan. To present the best in costume for Mr. and Miss Binyan 2009, we would like to call in Ms. Cristel de los Reyes, our judge number 3, to present the award for our best in costume.
Again, Best in Festival Costume will be receiving a sash, a plaque, and a cash prize worth 1,000 pesos care of Honorable Dan Fernandez.
Our best in costume for Miss Binyan 2009 goes to Erin Rosa Para, candidate number 7, Barangay Palaban. Once again, presenting the award for our best in costume for Miss Binyan is our bet for our pride as Best Cinderella International, Miss Cristel de los Reyes.
Now let's move on to the Best in Festival Costume for Mr. Binyan 2009. The Best in Festival Costume goes to candidate number 5, JV De Jesus.
Muli sa ating Mr. and Miss Binyan 2009. Our best in talent will be receiving gift checks and plaque, sash, and to be presented by Mr. G.A. Villaferte, a talent coordinator for GMA RT Center. Our best in talent first for Miss Binyan. Our second runner-up for the best in talent is candidate number 15, Maria Cristina Matabay, Barangay San Jose. Once again, she is the second runner-up for Best in Talent. The first runner-up for our Best in Talent, Miss Binyan. Congratulations, you are the first runner-up for the talent competition. Candidate number Barangay Palaban, Erin Rosa Para, candidate number 7. also be receiving 1,000 pesos cash from our Honorable Dan Fernandez. Congratulations, Best in Talent candidate number 18, Adrian Manalastas, Barangay Santo Tomas.
The second runner-up Best in Talent, Mr. Binyan 2009. And the second runner-up goes to